Let's start. Let's start today's class. Delete at end. So in this, we observed two cases. The case one is linked list is empty. Case one. Linked list is empty case. So how to identify this empty case? This is head. This contains null. And case 2, linked list contains one element only. Linked list contains only one element. So that is nothing but this is the case. Example, data is 10. This is the null field. This is my head. If this address is 1000, so 1000 will be placed here. This name is head. This is the second case. The third case is case 3. Case 3, the linked list contains more than one node. That is nothing but, can I say that at least 2 nodes? Yes, you can say that at least 2 nodes. This address is 2000. This address is 1000. Now head is here. Now one by one case we will see how to delete at the end of the linked list. So first of all, void delete at end. First you check if head is double equal to null. If head is double equal to null, deletion is not possible. Printf deletion is not possible. Why? Because the linked list is empty. The second case is the linked list contains only one node. Else if head next, if head next is double equal to null, that means the linked list is empty. Sorry, that means the linked list contains only one node. So now how to remove this node? Declare pointer variable struct node star ptr star ptr1. So assign head address ptr equal to head. Now observe here. Now observe here. Now observe here. This is the case. Now ptr is here. So if you delete this one, what will happen? The linked list is empty. So just write here printf if you want to print deleted element. So deleted element is equal to %d double quotes and ptr arrow data. That's all. Just print the deleted element. Next, immediately free ptr. Free ptr. So this is the case 2. And go to case 3. Now go to case 3. Case 3, the linked list contain more than one node. So how to delete the last node in the linked list? So first we need to take a pointer which is going to point to beginning of the linked list. That is nothing but here the PTR. The PTR contains the address 1000. This is PTR 1000. So we need to traverse till the end of the linked list. Till the end of the linked list we need to traverse. Okay, that means how to implement that one in else case. First of all, else case. So PTR equal to head. Then while the PTR is going to stop at the end of the linked list, that is nothing but PTR arrow next not equal to null. This condition meaning is it will stop in the last node. Okay, so if it will stop in the last node, but this node, so I am going to delete this node, that is okay. This node address field must be null or next field must be null. So that is the reason I am going to take one more pointer variable here. One more pointer variable ptr1 equal to ptr. I am assigning ptr address to ptr1. That means here also ptr is going to point ptr1. Now what contains ptr1? This will be also 1000. This is ptr1. Now observe the situation. So PTR next is not equal to null, true. So true means first assign PTR1 equal to PTR. Next move the pointer. Next move the PTR to the next node. PTR arrow next equal to PTR equal to PTR arrow next. So the meaning is here. So now PTR is moved to here. PTR is here. Now observe the case. Go to the loop beginning again. PTR next not equal to null, yes it is true. PTR1 equal to PTR. PTR1 equal to PTR. So previous PTR1 is 1000. So what is PTR now? 2000. 2000 will be assigned to PTR1. So PTR1 will move to here. PTR1. Now change PTR. PTR equal to PTR next. What PTR next contains? 3000. So PTR will be updated to 3000. That is nothing but PTR will move to here. Now PTR is here. Now check PTR next to not equal to null, false. This condition is false. Break the loop. Now observe here. PTR is here. Now observe the situation. PTR is here. PTR1 is here. Which node I want to free? This node I want to free. So first of all, what I need to do, if you want, you can print that data. So here at the end of the loop, I am going to print that data. So printf, same statement I can take, this statement I can take, and I will print that deleted element. Next, simply before free the PTR, simply you make it as PTR1 next field. Next field is equal to null. Then free PTR. The meaning is here. So this field I am going to make it as a null. This link will be broken. This node I am going to free. Memory will release. So This is delete at end function in the linked list. Thank you very much.